Hi. Like, hello, bitch, it's me. I'm Margot. I am the founder of No Particular Order, which is a paper goods company based here in Brooklyn, New York. For as long as I can remember, I have been journaling. My first journal was voice activated, so my brothers couldn't get into it because it had all of my secrets inside.
It is crazy to go back through old journal entries and be like, oh.
By the time I got to college, I realized that I needed a tool that could help me both with my mental health, but also just getting through the day. I started turning to blank journals to just plan out my days, but I would also create prompts at the tops of my page to reflect on certain things or to really get into why certain things were bothering me or making me anxious. And that format always really helped me. A lot of the journals, and especially prompted journals that were out there, had the same question. It was all about positivity and self-optimization. And that's not what was going to be helpful for what I wanted journaling to be used for. No Particular Order creates prompted journals for really pivotal, exciting moments in young people's lives. A lot of people don't have access to mentors or people that have experienced these things and can ask them the right questions at the right time. As you're going through these experiences, you have a journal and something to guide you through it. And then when you're on the other side, you have this really beautiful time capsule that reminds you of it. The first step when we're making the journals is figuring out what the theme is going to be. I do that by having conversations with my friends, looking back at my own journals, doing focus groups with my community, and thinking about not only the exciting parts of these moments, but also the moments that feel really anxiety-inducing. And once we have the list of all of those ideas, I'll pull those into question format. We are in a bookstore because this is where a lot of the brand inspiration for No Particular Order originates. There's so much goodness in the nostalgia of books and children's books, especially. That's a huge part of No Particular Order, is that it's physical and tangible and brings you to like your inner self. And that's what books do. So I loved looking at old books when we were starting and the fonts and illustrations and how they were used and how we could build that into the brand. This is my amazing, talented designer, Dalia. We were connected because Dalia just sent a DM on Instagram and it came at the perfect time when I was working on a project. So from there, we've gotten to create some amazing things.
We'll send each other inspo and you'll be like, this feels more aligned or this doesn't. And then honestly, I feel like for us, it's like more about actually laying stuff out digitally, seeing how the words look, how your fonts that you already have picked out look, being able to work for someone else successfully, I feel like, is being given all the tools you need to succeed. And I feel like Margot, honestly does a really good job of giving me all the things I need as a creative to bring my own stuff to the table, but then also have it feel true to your brand. I feel like there's no limit when it comes to projects that Margot wants to do. She'll just put her brand out there and really believes in it.
Once Dalia exports and packages these pages, we send them off to the printers in England. When I started the business, I thought I was going to be able to just use a blank and print my prompts into it, but we have gone in the completely opposite direction and built a custom journal that considers durability, lay flat pages, paper that doesn't bleed. Every millimeter of the book has been considered. I had no idea I would become a book expert when I started this journey. We are at my fulfillment center in Brooklyn right now. Our books are printed in England and then they're all shipped here on pallets. They store all of our inventory here They pack the orders for us, and then when the orders come through Shopify, they are shipped out directly to the customer. When we launched the business, I was doing this from my parents' basement. It was great because I saw how much work goes into it. I have so much respect for everyone who works here. On our first product, Volume 1, the wrapping says, if you were given a blank slate, what would you do with it? And that is what this moment in the warehouse represents. We've done everything we can to put care and love into the journals, and now it's being shipped out to you. And it's your opportunity to customize it and make it your own and bring it with you through these really monumental periods of your life. I want to leave you with a field trips inspired note. I started no particular order because I wanted better tools for understanding myself. Not just where I was going, but how I was actually moving through the world and understanding why I was making those choices. You can think of no particular order as a set of tools that notice how you think, feel, and show up in your relationships and everyday moments. We're not here to fix anything, just to help you see yourself more clearly by prompting you with questions you may not think to ask on your own. I think you'll find that once you start building a real relationship with yourself, the world will open up to you, and bigger possibilities move within reach. And just like we change through different ages, places, and experiences, no particular order is built to change with you. It's there to keep track of who you've been while making space for who you're becoming. There's no one right way to do life, but sometimes it takes the right question to uncover what's next. I'm Margot Lee, founder of No Particular Order, and this is my field trip.